So here's how to find Capcut templates. It's actually quite easy to do, but make sure that you watch the full video so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your Chrome browser, and here you have to search for the Capcut templates, and once you type in this, now you will see these results. Now from here you have to click on the very first link, and once you click on this link, now it will open this website. Now here you will be able to see a bunch of templates. You can use these templates to make a video. To use the template, you have to click on any desired template that you want to use, and you have to click on it. After that, it will open this page. Here you have to scroll down and go to the bottom. Now here you have to click on the use template option. Once you click on it, now it will redirect you to your Capcut app. Then at this interface, you have to click on the use template option at the bottom. Now it will redirect you to your gallery. Then from here you have to select any of your desired video or any image. Capcut offers a variety of templates that you can use to make your videos and photos more attractive. So that's how to find Capcut templates.